Hitachi is a global multinational which has completed 100 years in the global market. We were established exactly 100 years ago. In India, Hitachi has a presence for the last 60 years, and our company, that is Hitachi Home and Life Solutions India Limited, is about 26-year-old company in India. We have been delivering high quality air conditioning solutions to the Indian market for last 26 years. The Indian customer has experienced our product for the last so many years, and he has realized that the quality that Hitachi delivers, no other manufacturer is able to deliver. Just to inform all the Indian consumers that all the Hitachi air conditioners sold in India are manufactured in India, and they are designed for India and designed by our engineers in India. This is the basic difference of Hitachi from all other manufacturers that you see today. Indian market is expanding continuously over the last couple of years. In the last year also it expanded about 20%. We enjoy to be in Indian market because we are getting a chance to serve the Indian consumer and this ever expanding market. There are almost like 18 brands in India, and among those 18 brands Hitachi stands out for its quality and performance continuously. We are about 7% market share in room air conditioner at a slightly higher price than other competition. In value terms, we are approximately 10% of the total market. So, Indian consumer has accepted us and it has shown faith in us over the years continuously. As I told you just now, there are about 25 odd models of split air conditioners that we have and 10 models of window air conditioners, so about 35. Apart from that, we have about 11 models for our business to business customers, which is available to them for window and split if they want in large quantities. Beyond that, we also have a range of about 16 refrigerators that we have launched in Indian market. These 16 refrigerators are available from a range of 300 liters to 660 liters. In Hitachi factory in Kadi in Gujarat, we have our own quality management systems, and we have our own design department. Each of our air conditioner which is developed in India passes through 41 different tests, and only then it is launched into the Indian market. We are a very strict quality control company. We are a ISO 9001 certified company.